Hey there, YouTubers. This is Andy with RC Journeys with part 2 of our Scratch Wizard spray can paint. I already went ahead and started doing clear coat because somebody behind me was pressure washing and I didn't want you guys to deal with all that noise. So this is the kind of results we're getting. There's about 2 coats of clear on here right now. I'll tell you what, I should have saved the $60. And this is a guy on YouTube. He does, I think it's Duplicolor 2X. I should have done that, but the rx8, I didn't just want to throw paint on it, which I did, but I went the expensive way. So, but I guess these are the results you get. I should have got the primer, and I didn't. I know for next time. But I think next time I'll just save the $60 and just drive it to Econo or what's that other place? Mako? You guys tell me which one of the two was better, Econo or Mako. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to go ahead and shoot it with another thing, a clear coat. It says don't wet sand or try to buff for 24 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot it with the last clear in the can, and I don't like that spot right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't like that. I hope that comes out. But yeah, these are my results. So this is Andy from RC Journeys. This is my part 2. This will probably be the last. I'll make another video when I'm done and try to buff this thing out and see what happens. And it probably doesn't help I'm in direct sunlight, but I have nowhere else to do this right now, so I'm doing it right here. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later.